I love Doritos, and I love barbecue. Let's see what happens when we combine two of my favorite things and make Doritos smoked chicken. If you want to see how to do that, it's coming up right now. Right now. Right now. Oh, that was it. Right now. Welcome back, Jason Ganal, GQue BBQ. Let's get our fire started. We're gonna be shooting today for a target temperature around 350 degrees. I'm gonna let that fire get going, and when we get really close to 350, I'm gonna close down these clamps to about a 1/4 inch open. Our fire's coming up to temp. I'm gonna add some hickory to the Gateway drum smoker so we can infuse that chicken with hickory flavor that you can't duplicate cooking in the oven. As far as dredges go, this process couldn't be any easier. Let's set up our dredge station. I'm gonna season up the flour with a little bit of GQue BBQ, the rub. It's gonna add much more flavor than if I left the flour unseasoned. I like to add a little whole milk just to dilute that egg flavor and add a little richness. If you have a chance, grab some buttermilk and soak your chicken in that for at least 2 hours. You'll thank me later. Now for the crust. I'm using Cool Ranch Doritos today because it's my favorite. We're gonna crunch these up. I find the easiest thing to do is just open them up, let a lot of that air out, and then just go to town. So let's take a close look at these. This is what I would call a coarse grind. This is exactly what I like when making this. If you prefer more of a finer grind, use a food processor to blend up your chips. What I like most about the coarse grind is the texture, but I also feel like I get more Dorito flavor. Use whatever your favorite brand of chips are in a chip aisle. Flaming Hot Cheetos, Cool Ranch Doritos like me, Funyuns, whatever sizzles your bacon. If you were gonna make this at home, what chips would you use? Let me know down in the comments below. We're gonna season up the chicken with my favorite poultry seasoning, GQue BBQ, the rub. If you want the chicken in your belly and not on your cooling rack, don't forget to spray it down with some canola oil. One tip is to only use one hand touching the egg wash, and then you can use your other hand to add Doritos without getting sticky icky. What's great about this dredging process, if you have kids, is this is what they love to do. It could be a fun event for you and your family to make your kids' favorite chip smoked chicken. I like to set the chickens on a cooling rack for easy transport. So the chicken's been cooking for about 10 minutes or so, and because they're small chicken pieces, they're gonna cook up really fast. They're done when they hit an internal temperature of 165 degrees in the center. However, I find you get good crunchier Doritos if you let them go to about 180, 185. So we're done, 166, we're done here. I'm gonna let them go a little bit longer so those chips really crisp up. So the chicken's off the pit. Now I'm gonna make my go-to dipping sauce. It's super easy, 2 ingredients, ranch dressing and cayenne. Here at the house, I make the ranch and cayenne for me, and ranch all by itself for the wife and kids. This is an interesting combo of flavors because the creaminess of the ranch wants to work against the heat from the cayenne. I just love it as a dipping sauce on these smoked chicken tenders. Got some curly parsley for garnish since you eat with your eyes second. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. Smoky, I definitely pick up that hickory flavor that we got by cooking it on the pit. Good crunch from the Cool Ranch Doritos. However, it's not a very strong Dorito flavor. Use a small piece of chicken and those coarse grinds if you want to get maximum Dorito flavor. But what really sets it off is that ranch dipping sauce. I love the heat that the cayenne brings and how it wakes up everything else. If that looked good, if that's something you want to try, give me a thumbs up. While you're here, don't leave so fast. Check out another chicken wing recipe video right here. Garlic parm wings, they're outstanding. Jason Ganal, GQue BBQ. I'll see you on the next one. That dipping sauce.